been reading a lot about Hendershot, and this is what inspired this idea of a coilpacitor. It is a piece of copper pipe with a copper wire coil wrapped around it, and underneath it is a little anode with a steel pin, and this is connected to the CFLs that go onto ground. The CFLs serve as a load, and they wire off onto ground. And then the one side of the coil is wired to the ignition coil, and the other side of the coil pokes in through the top. And I'm going to fire this up and we'll see what it does. Just let me line this up a little bit better. I have to hold the camera back a little bit because it gets all freaked out by the electricity here. So you'll notice there's arcing between the ground and the other side of the coil, but there's also arcing from the ground over to the cylinder, the copper cylinder, which is not making a connection to the coil. It's simply a capacitor in free space. And if I shut this off, that capacitor retains quite a hefty voltage charge. I'll try to show that. Connecting one side of the voltage meter to ground. And I will put the other probe on the coil. And we see that it had a big charge on it. It's dropping now as it's shorted out through the meter, but I've touched the copper here with my hand and got zapped while the thing was off. So basically this is a interesting device because it is sort of like a Van de Graaff generator in the sense that it builds up a large charge inside the center. If this was spherical and much larger, it would probably retain quite a hefty punch, just like a Van de Graaff generator. Turn this sucker on again. Okay, measuring this little cylinder here, it's just under 2.5 centimeters. And the coil is about 3 centimeters on a 4 centimeter pipe. Now I'm going to mess around with different frequencies. That's it.